mags.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Incoming! Look out!
Oh my god.
Loading!
Alright, let's lock in. Chat, what up? Death was good.
You're losing ground. Moving.
Dumbass! What you thought this was, brother? What'd you think this was, brother?
Enemy dropping in.
Gio, what up? Chat, welcome in, welcome in. We just got on, baby. Lock in. About to get a dub first solo game right here, chat. Gotta get some money.
Requesting recon flyover.
Got one on the outside.
Loading!
No fuel, no fuel.
Stupid. No! No! He's below right there, chat.
Changing mag.
No! Fuck it. I sold.
Mission timeline over. UAV exiting the area.
Swapping mags.
I'm fucked.
No fuel, no fuel. UAV RTB.
Changing mag.
Only 10 left.
There's one still out there, chat. I'm better, bitch. I'm better. Get out of here.
I'm loading.
Yes, sir, chat. That's why we switched up, baby.
UAV in the area.
We run that carbon MXR in the beginning. In the end, we switch up. We need this bounty. We have someone landing out there.
Contract here.
You know what, chat? I could play this. This might be a bad idea. I normally wouldn't hate to do this. Look at that. You see why? That's why, chat. I didn't even get to finish what I was saying. This is why in solos, these motherfuckers be on this shit like this. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Someone called for some support.
Go get your revenge.
Smart man.
LCR salvo ready for launch.
I need the grenade. We're in this, baby. We're in this.
Resurgence has been deactivated.
I need a gas mask. There's probably someone down here, though.
4 remaining.
4 remaining, chat. If I get money right here, need a little more. Oh, he's right on top. I can't do it right there. Can't do it, chat. I was gonna risk it for the biscuit. I probably tried that before. This guy's up top. I don't have grapple guns. If I... Bitch, are you trying to... What are you doing, brother? What are you doing? Come on, bro. Come on, bruh. I knew you guys were gonna do that, bro.
Losing ground. Moving.
That's the one thing I know. There's someone above me.
UAV standing by.
Requesting recon.
There he is.
Fire ineffective. Check target coordinates.
Precision airstrike available.
No fuel, no fuel. UAV RTB.
I'm winning this. You got me fucked up. He's on the roof.
Target mark. Request fire mission.
I told you I was gonna win. You do not always need to be aggressive, chat. Let these motherfuckers come to you.
You're clear hot.
In the beginning of the half, I'm aggressive. The second half, no, lock in. You don't get too many chances. The last thing you want to do is die, come back with no fucking loadout. That's the strategy for me, chat, always. Aggressive in the beginning, play defensive in the end, bruh. Get these dubs.